Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed, click on the red icon by the right hand side written subscribe and hit the bell icon by its side, which will enable you get all my videos whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you and stay tuned. Ago, I came across something that surprised me. I don't know whether you know that they have a tribe called Igbo in Jamaica. Igbo people in Jamaica were shipped by Europeans onto the island between the 18th and 19th centuries as enslaved labor on plantations. Igbo people constituted a large portion of the African enslaved people in Jamaica. The red Igbo or red Igbo was used to refer to the Igbo slaves in Jamaica because of their light skin. Igbo slaves were distinguished physically by the fair or yellow skin tones. Today in Jamaica, red Igbo is used to describe people with light skin tones with African features. Originating from Bight of Biafra in West Africa, Igbo people were taken in relatively high numbers to Jamaica as slaves between 1790 and 1809. During this period, the culture and language of Igbos diffused into the Jamaican culture. One of the major results of this diffusion is the infusion of some words into the Jamaican patois. Some of these words are unu, you people, imoso in Jamaica, imoso in Igbo, that's to hiss by suckling your teeth. Akara in Jamaica, akara in Igbo, that's bean cake. Soso in Jamaica, soso in Igbo, meaning only. Ato in Jamaica, atu in Igbo, that's chewing stick. De in Jamaica, de in Igbo, meaning in. So the yam festival, Jokono, in Jamaica was introduced by the Igbos. In Nigeria, it is simply the New Yam Festival. Jokono is a masquerade festival held in Jamaica, which is attributed to Njokuji or Yam spirit cults. From history, the Igbos influenced the culture of Jamaicans. Jamaicans are so akin to the ways of the Igbos, such that it is not uncommon to see Jamaicans watch Igbo Nollywood movies. What do you think? Drop your comments. Thank you.